yes, Pearson out here again. It's another night, another vlog. Yep. Yeah man, all the fire 777. So I'm out here, Grand Cayman, heading to the Lion Center. Yeah, of Jamaica Emancipation Celebration. I think it's put on by JN. Yeah. Every year they do it. They have Emancipation and Independence Celebration. Because I know a lot of Jamaicans are here. So just stick and stay with me. You know what I say? Yeah, so I'm going to show you what's going on over there. Yeah, so actually heading there now. Heading over there now. So a lot of people heading out. A lot of people come out to support the thing. So a lot of people come out. A lot of people come out, a lot of vehicles crossing. So stick and stay as I say. I'm across the street. Yep. This is how Jamaican cross the street. Yeah. So a lot of Jamaicans come out and then colours and things as you can see. The over there are colours of Jamaican colours. Yeah. Yes, so over there is Lion Center. Yeah, so we're on Crew Road in Grand Cayman. So I'm gonna say it's an emancipation celebration. Yeah, so just stick and tell me. Let me take you there. So you know what I say? And as I say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. One fire, holy fire. That is it. Yeah. Yes, so as I tell you, say, it is put on by JN Digicel, Best Dress. These are some of my major sponsors. Yep, I know what I see here, so like Red Stripe, real Jamaican beer. That is it. So, you know, this is it. I'm gonna say, stick and stay with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. No, I'm gonna lie. Yeah, so at the gate here, security there, search, see if I bring in a weapon. So, let's stay with me. Yep, security of the search because I'm not sure if everybody's safe and no weapons are coming in. Yeah, as I say, a lot of Jamaicans are here. This is the Mona over here. Come right out. Let me see if so come on. Yeah? So they're giving away Jamaican flags. A raffle. So I haven't have a Jamaican flag. Jamaican flag. It's my Jamaican flag. Yeah, one fire. So this is how I go on my place now. Yeah.
Okay, guys, the calculation.
He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. That is Psalms 91. All who believe in this Psalms 91 never fear your way of the flag there. Who got blessed? Who got blessed? So help me sing this now. On Sunday, when Jamaicans give tip up on Sunday when they cook food. What's the main dish on the menu? All them say red rice, right? So rice and peas and what? Chicken, oxtail, pork, turkey neck. Who again? Who again? Use the curry goat. Use the curry goat. All we curry goat, wave the flag them. Wave the flag them. Sunday gonna jump.
so. Jerk chicken, fried chicken, fish, vegetable and stuff like that. So vendors are running back here, so just like Jamaica. So check out what going on the stage. So as I said, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 1-5 all of you.
Yeah, man. No, it's so good to see you here. You're looking so wonderful, representing the pearl of the Caribbean. Now, if you're a born Jamaican, an adopted Jamaican, or any kind of Jamaican, I want to see you all raise the flag in the air and sing with me on the one here. All right? It is. Thank you.
not without its hardship, but every time we drop down, we have to. What we have to do? We gotta get up. What are you? We gotta get up. Let me hear it one more time for the people in the back. We gotta get up. You gotta get up. You gotta get up. Listen. Sometimes I think that it's better to live as one. Come on. When I reach the top, there's gonna be gotta get up and try. You gotta get up and try. You gotta get up and try. Well, and does it make you wanna cry? Can I do some more songs for you? Are you still with me? Come on! Hey! And this is for my baby, yeah. And there's times when I want something more, someone I need. There's times when it's just me, I'm so sick, incomplete. But you see the colors in my life. No one else, and because you're down there, you're something else. Sing it for me, come on. And you're really loving, and you want to love me. And I really love you underneath it all. So hush, little baby, don't you Remember me tell you that night upon the 4th of August 2022 that she coming back here for her show one day. Yes? Ba 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 ba. You really love me. You really love me. All right. Can I ask for a mic stand, please? Your love. want you here to sing songs of freedom. It's all I ever had. Redemption song. Yeah. Redemption song. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy. Come on, not them, can't stop the tide. Shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Hey, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. What you have to say. These songs of freedom is all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. Yeah. My songs of freedom, songs of freedom, yeah. Now won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever had. Redemption songs, my songs of freedom, redemption. Thank you very much. God bless you and keep you all. And thank you very much for having us tonight. It means the world to us. We love you and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Let's go. You don't know what to do when you do, when you do, when you do. I can save you from myself, but I could offer you a new start. And I know where you think that I could, but
that is it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, holy fire. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is man holy fire. You can claim man for emancipation celebrations. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is it. You know me got a lady that stalk me. Yeah, see anti, let me go anti the emancipation celebration. Yeah.
Hello!
Yeah, so it's just the belly here. This is anti daughter. You know, anti the lady who has a cook for her husband and thing. Yeah, it's her daughter. Take a look. Okay. So as me say, that's another one for you man, Holy Fire 777. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Remember, love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. One fire, Holy Fire, out.